his sound effects. Oh my god, I just like tune him out. I honestly have not heard him just because I literally am tuning him out. How am I feeling? I'm feeling okay right now. Oh my god. Anyone else open to sharing health history? Yeah, if anybody in here wants to share their story, please do. Goodness gracious, I'm about to add like all the liquids. Okay guys, I give up. I hand mix now. Okay, she is also a big supporter. The headache blood pressure was 220/104, ended up with lupus. Oh, I'm so sorry. We need lots of it, okay. Y'all want me to add it now or keep like mixing this in? Add liquid, okay. Okay. Holy crap, if I could reach the frickin' jug. Okay, I'm so excited, my first time trying this pine. How is that, my loves? Yes, Tiff, I just got it. I am so freaking happy. No, I got it on my floor. Dang it, I was doing so good. Dang, I missed the pine. What is it? It's the HEB pine. Yes. Okay, this one is getting really hard to squeeze, so I'm gonna take this one out. Oh, Ebony, okay, I just saw you, yay. Okay, so we can talk about you while I'm smoothing this out. All right, if somebody wants to pin Miss Ebony, so Miss Ebony is also a big supporter. This is your first live? Oh no. It is not my first live. Honestly, y'all, there is so much going in. So, Ebony gave herself a reason. And I think that's what everybody needs to do who is struggling with something, is find that reason. And her reasoning to keep going, keep staying strong, is so she can be a grandma. And she can see the day where she becomes one. And I just think that's beautiful. And I love you too, Ebony. And I love our talks, and I love that we can just connect with each other about things. Like, we share a lot of similarities. So getting to talk to you has been a blessing, and meeting you has been a blessing. And I just hope that you get your kidney this year. Your time is coming, I promise. So don't get discouraged. Just know that it will happen for you. My recovery has been going good, but last week it got infected, so I've been taking antibiotics, and they've been like treating it. I have to go to like wound care and stuff, but it's been good. What the heck? Crush up for me, please. Okay. Y'all want more liquid, or y'all want me to do powder? All right. The last HEB pine jug is going in. Yum, yum, yum. But mine's more common. I have con. I think there was a sponge there. I hope there was a sponge there. Sorry, y'all, I'm not reading comments, so if I need to see something like real bad, please pin it. Okay, I'm trying to like pour this game in by the box. Turn. Oh my god. Okay. I like it here. I wish I was a mod. Thank you. Glad you said that part. Mute it. Girl, mute him. That was funny. There's the green. I was like, where's the green? Where did it go? I wish it would just like smooth out itself, you know? Oh, brother. That was good. Hell yeah. How are you mixing with Ash? Hey Bug, look at pin. Oh, okay, I gotta look at my phone. I have comments right here, and then I have my phone because I can't see. Sent 20 to add what you like. You people, thank you. Thank you so much, Lizzie. Ah, is this perfect? Ooh, you're perfect. Oh my God. Hey, Ashley. I do. I have 2 baking sodas for 2. Yay, let me know when you're home, and then I'm gonna add some of your powder. Oh, my goodness, my glove ripped. Okay. Okay. Need a new glove. I'm just going to get all the new gloves.